What will win in a drag race between the new BMW X3 M50, the Porsche Macan GTS and the Mercedes-AMG GLC43? Well, we're going to find out as I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. The BMW X3 M50 has a 3-litre turbocharged straight-six petrol engine that puts out 398 horsepower and 580 Nm of torque. It drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,980 kilograms and costs from £71,000. The Porsche Macan GTS has a 2.9-litre twin-turbo V6 that makes 440 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. That drives all four wheels via a 7-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs in at 1,960 kilograms and costs from £75,000. The Mercedes-AMG GLC43 Coupe has a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine that puts out 421 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. It sends power to all four wheels via a 9-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs in at 1,995 kilograms, costs from £78,000. First thing we're going to do is do a sound check. So I'm going to rev up my BMW. Windows down, have a listen to this. Yeah, that's all right. Well, inside it is, but I think they're playing some like exhaust sounds through the speakers. What did it sound like from the outside, Rory?
Sounds quite nice, bit of burble on the exhaust. Yeah, I think it's decent for a semi-skimmed, not X3M variant.
You're such a motoring journalist with your chat. We won't have motoring journalist chat from Afi. What did you think? You're the owner of GLC, so maybe you're a bit biased against this BMW, but be honest.
If I'm really honest, from here it sounded a bit like a diesel revving up.
Classic response. Wouldn't expect anything less. You are biased. Let's have a listen to the porker.
No soft limiter and some pops and crackles.
So far, I'll admit that is better than this, and definitely better than the new electric Macan.
Definitely better than that one, yeah.
Afi, will you say anything good about that?
100% better than the BMW. I heard the crackles and pops.
Right, Anne, put your money where your mouth is. Let's hear your car. Mate, yours is the worst. That's your own car. You bought that with your own money, and it sounds the worst. Didn't you expect the upgraded exhaust?
The Mercedes filters just don't do it any justice.
Bad luck. What do you think is going to happen in the race, right? Because I've got the least power. Do you think I'm going to still win?
I think that BMWs normally launch quite well once they've figured themselves out and you've pressed 80 buttons. The Porsche also launches really well, and it does have more power. So I'm going to back myself on this one and say I'm going to win.
Afi, what are your thoughts?
I think I've got the Porsche on this occasion. Although I'm in an AMG, I think the Porsche is going to probably have it because previously I've watched them doing really well. Okay then. Do you think your car will be quicker than the BMW? It's got a lot more power, well, quite a bit more power. AMG for the win. Right, let's do it then. Let's find out what the truth is. Before we do, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it through Carwow, right? All you have to do is upload some photos of your car, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on it. It's super simple. You can do that now by clicking on the pop-out banner, scanning the QR code, or follow the link in the description, or just simply Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car. It's completely free. Just worth doing to see what you can get for your car before you, don't know, take it to a dealer or list it online or whatever. You know what I mean. Let's get on with it.
3, 2, 1.
Afi's not even in that race. I'm coming back.
What's going on there?
Sorry guys, I missed it.
I don't care, I'm winning. Tell you what, Afi was so quick, he just disappeared, didn't he? He just went right ahead, disappeared into the horizon. No, he won. But between me and you, it was so close.
Yeah, I'm not sure where he went, but I can't believe you actually beat me at the end there. That's so depressing. This launched so well, like a Porsche, and I just watched you come past me. I'm not sure what's going on.
I'm not sure what's going on either. And I'm not sure what's going on with Afi. Let's see if he comes back from wherever he's just like rocketed off to. That was just insane. You got back before us as well, Rory. That's impressive. So, Afi, 1-0 to you.
Thank you. I'll take that.
Let's do best 2 out of 3, yeah?
3, 2, 1.
He's gone again.
Short on the launch there.
Can't beat him.
This is so fast. This is different though. Stuart, can we just double check I didn't jump the start?
Ooh.
I went in this car thinking it would lose, and everyone goes, Matt chooses the fastest car. It's got the least horsepower, didn't think it would win. Never driven these before, never raced them.
It is very, very close. We are not 100% sure either way.
Well, it doesn't really matter, Afi won anyhow. So 2-0 to Afi. What we're going to do is do best 3 out of 5. Is that okay?
I promise I'm going to behave next one.
Afi, is the launch control working okay in that one?
Yeah, no, I've got it working. What happened was I went in on it too early, like a manual, and then it timed out.
Afi, I've no idea what you're talking about. You've won every single race. You don't need to do anything different at all.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
He's done it again.
Bad start.
Oh, the joy. It's got to come in second all the time. I just would like to win for once.
I launched perfectly then, if I do say so myself. Can't catch you.
Afi, so 3-0 to you. Let's just, for a little bit of fun, let a slower driver have a go in your car.
Let's go.
All right, and Afi, you put a cap on, mate. Will that make you go quicker?
I've got a more aerodynamic head now, yeah, definitely.
Okay, good luck, Afi. Well, you've been winning every race so far. You're just going to win by a greater margin now?
By a country mile, yeah, let's go.
Sounds different. Sounds like he's doing an impression of Nick.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's ahead, what?
Oh, come on, yes! Oh, come on, here we go.
Come on! Quicker!
Oh. I'm gonna beat the Mercedes though.
First things first, Afi, that's the first one you've lost, but it's winner takes all in that race, I'm afraid. So the BMW won overall, nice try. Porsche, me and you just left simultaneously, and this just eased ahead. I think BMW are lying about the horsepower in this car. Do you?
I think they're lying about the horsepower of that car. It launches like an absolute. The only slight consolation is the fact that I have an Alcantara steering wheel and they're the best things in the world. Apart from that, yeah, I just can't beat you. But I did beat the Mercedes.
This final time you beat the Mercedes. So Afi, did he launch neck and neck with the Porsche pretty much?
Yes, that was a really good go, and I've got to give it to the BMW H Ford.
Cool. Let's do the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.7 seconds. The Porsche took 12.8 seconds and the Mercedes was last with a time of 12.9 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We're going to do it in normal automatic mode, comfort mode, and we're going to race over the half mile. Before we do this though, if you'd like to see a great deal I've found from one of these manufacturers and the saving, click on the pop-out banner up there, scan the QR code on screen now. You ready guys? So just stay level with me. 3, 2, 1, go! God, this took forever to kick down.
Come on, Porsche!
Mercedes was neck and neck with me.
Let's go. Oh, we're doing the BMW.
This is the opposite of the drag race.
Porsche is moving. BMW, what happened?
That was literally the opposite to the drag race. Just completely different. Slow kick down, went behind, stayed behind. And Affy, you just like pulled past.
Now that was just a comeback for AMG.
How about you? You were ahead and stayed ahead, right?
Yeah, gearbox kicked down really nicely, and then obviously, yeah, with the more power, when on the roll, I managed to stay ahead, which was nice, yeah.
Okay, let's just go full manual mode, sport your setting. Let's actually sort the men from the boys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Come on, BMW. Oh.
Come on!
Porsche's going, Porsche's going. BMW, come on, come on.
Running past the Mercedes.
Oh!
That was interesting because this time I managed to beat the Mercedes but couldn't beat the Porsche.
Yeah, actually, that time, Affy went off first, so I think his like hybridization or whatever it's called really helped him. But I did come past and win in the end, so yeah, I'm very happy.
Yeah, I did think we were closer to the Porsche this time, but yeah, the BMW just edged past.
Yay, second place. Now we go have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The car that stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race, that's another BMW versus Porsche versus Mercedes thing, click on the pop-out banner up there, I'll scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for the brake test. You hear the code, stamp on that brake. I didn't win that.
What a win!
You know what they say about BMW brakes? They're never as good, are they?
No, I mean, to be honest with you, I thought Affy was going to beat me then, but just honestly, the last split second, he just rolled past. But we know Porsche brakes are good, but bloody hell, those Mercedes brakes are pretty good today.
Yeah, stopped really well this one.
Well, I can't say the same. Won the drag race, but everything else, Porsche won. Classic. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some...
I did call the Porsche.
Didn't I?
You didn't win the drag race, though. Oh no, you won the drag race many times. Anyway, if you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows. If you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, click the carwow logo to check out the carwow drag race leaderboard. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.